Hi guys, this is TechTube. Today I'm going to show how to create a profile on WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is somewhat differ from WhatsApp application. First of all, you need to download the WhatsApp Business application in the Play Store. It's free of cost. Just download the WhatsApp. Download the WhatsApp Business and open the application. The interference of the application is same as the WhatsApp, but some of the interference will be changed in the WhatsApp Business. Agree and continue. Make a mobile number and give next. SMS will be received to the mobile number, same as the WhatsApp. SMS will be received and I had been entered the code. You need a backup or you need not. Your as your wish, you need to go to continue or not now. I'm going to start a water bottle business just for an example. Make it, and you need to enter a name, a water bottle here. I need to enter your category. I entered as a shopping and retail, and you need as your wish. You need a description. You need to enter your description and also as well as your business address in the sense your factory address, whatever, and enter your mobile image, a pic of the product or your company, whatever, and next. The interference is same as the WhatsApp, and some of the interference will be changed. This is the status and calls what you want, and you need to add your contacts likewise in the WhatsApp, and also you need to add your category. In that business settings, you can add your catalog in the business settings. Catalog in the sense your product. I had been added one of the product in the catalog. Likewise, you need to add one or two products as your wish. You had a website link. You can also add a website link over here, and description and your product, your service code, and make a save the catalog. The catalog has been saved. This is how you need to add a catalog in your WhatsApp business account. The customer can view your catalog, what you are mentioned in the description or your link. The customer can read your catalog. Likewise, you need to create your profile in WhatsApp Business. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.